ピカピカです。
Ever seen freshly polished shoes catching the sunlight? Or a lighthouse beam sweeping across the dark ocean, flashing brightly? That's when the Japanese onomatopoeia Pika Pika comes in. A sound full of sparkle, shine, and gleam. What is Pika Pika? Pika Pika is a Japanese onomatopoeia that describes something shining brightly, sparkling, or polished to perfection. It can be the gleam of clean surfaces, the flash of a light, or even the sparkle in someone's eyes. It's vivid, cheerful, and eye-catching. You'll see it in everyday conversation, advertisements, manga, and children's stories. Examples in daily life.
ピカピカです。ピカピカです。
Next time you whisper, try this word. It's fun and feels just right.